Welcome. Today, we're diving into how Teamgo's asset booking software can streamline your workplace operations and enhance security. Teamgo's visitor management software is your all-in-one solution for managing workplace assets like desks, lockers, and vehicles. Let's explore how it can make your life easier. If your workplace uses hot desks, Teamgo allows employees and visitors to book desks effortlessly, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Managing lockers and storage assets has never been simpler. Allocate and track locker usage with ease, providing convenience and security for everyone. Need to manage vehicle bookings? Teamgo's asset booking software makes it easy to track and reserve vehicles, ensuring all bookings are accounted for. Enjoy the convenience of managing everything through a web browser. No installation needed, just seamless cloud software. Keep a comprehensive list of assets and empower your team to book them with ease using Teamgo's intuitive web dashboard. Maintain real-time visibility of assets and people. Enhance safety measures with our robust management tools. Teamgo's web dashboard simplifies the booking process. Book assets, manage bookings, and invite guests with just a few clicks. Include guests in asset bookings, check availability, and add them to invitations. Pre-register assets for a smooth check-in process. Send booking invitations easily, ensuring guests have all the necessary details for a seamless experience. Our secure, user-friendly interface makes managing bookings a breeze, ensuring everyone can access and book available assets safely. Optimize asset management with custom booking calendars, detailed asset information, and flexible scheduling. Gather crucial data seamlessly. Integrate with external calendars using iCal files, and provide easy booking access through dedicated URLs. Gain insights with advanced reporting and analytics. Improve security, operational efficiency, and visitor experiences by leveraging data. Ready to transform your workplace with Teamgo's asset booking software? Start your free trial today and see the difference.